Hello, my name is Steve Miller from the Animal Genetics and Breeding Unit. As part of our videos and helping you better understand your analysis, I would like to talk to you about the idea of a multibreed analysis. Multibreed, as it relates to the genetic evaluation of beef cattle, is a term that comes up fairly frequently recently. What does it mean? When might it be coming, and what are the barriers? There are many breeds of beef cattle and much crossing of breeds in the industry to take advantage of hybrid vigor and breed complementarity, especially in northern Australia. A commercial cattle producer may want to compare a potential sire that is a Brangus to one that is a Braford, to use over his predominantly Santa Gertrudis females, for example. The current within-breed EBVs don't allow this comparison. Multi-breed genetic evaluation is not new, and is done with the Australian sheep genetic evaluations now. So why can't we do it in beef cattle? In a previous video, I described the calculation of breeding values as a large, complex system of comparisons. To generate comparable breeding values, those genetics need to be compared somewhere in the same environment, or the same contemporary group. This is true for sire lines within a breed, and it is also true for breeds in a multi-breed comparison. If an Angus only competes against Angus, and the Herefords only compete against Hereford, then we have no data to determine how Angus compare to Herefords. To make this comparison, we need Angus and Hereford competing directly, head-to-head in the same contemporary group. This is the advantage the sheep genetics community has, and that is a propensity to use various breeds and composites in the same flock. So these breed comparisons are naturally a part of the data as breeders collect it. The breed plan system today does handle multi-breed and crossbred data. In fact, some analyses are for composite breeds, and some purebred evaluations bring in data from crossbred individuals. The real holdup in multi-breed beef evaluations has historically been the data. This lack of direct comparisons between breeds. This is where the Repronomics project in the north and the southern multi-breed projects come in. In the north, Brahman, Santa Gertrudis, and Droughtmaster have been compared head-to-head across 3 properties. Similarly, the more recent southern multi-breed project is comparing Angus, Wagyu, Hereford, Charolais, Shorthorn, and Brahman across 5 New South Wales DPI sites. The Brahman being the design link between the northern and southern projects. The Agbu team is working at combining the Brahman, Santa Gertrudis, and Droughtmaster datasets together now in one multi-breed evaluation. For this to work, it relies on the links between the breeds that the Repronomics project provides. We expect to present these results on a research basis in 2024. With data from the Southern Multibreed project now rolling in, we expect to be testing the inclusion of this data as early as 2025. With the multibreed nature of Australia's commercial cow herd, an accurate multibreed evaluation where genetics of different breeds, composites, and their various crosses can be compared is the tool we are striving to provide for Australia's commercial cattle producers.